Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to delete messages on Reddit. To delete your message on Reddit, first of all, open up your Reddit application and log into your account. Once logged in, from the home page, go ahead and tap the chat button at the bottom. You will then come across all the chats that you've made in the platform. Go ahead and open up the chat you are trying to delete, and then go ahead and press and hold the chat. In the pop-up, click on delete and click on yes delete again. Repeat this step for every other conversations you'd like to delete. Right after you do that, you will then be able to delete all the conversation with the person, and that is it. Remember that Reddit does not allow full message deletion. You will need to select a message and then delete it one by one. This will remove your messages from your side but not from the recipient's inbox. So if you want to tidy up your inbox, you can mark messages and delete them, but there is no official way to fully erase all the messages from the inbox. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.